All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into a foundational creation story, but we're going to look at it a little differently. Not just as a single verse, but as this epic cosmic drama. It's a poetic narrative that really unpacks how a single command could spark the birth of time itself. We're going to go from this state of absolute nothingness to a universe that has rhythm, purpose, and order. Okay, so let's get right into it. We have to start where the story does, in an absolute, dense, and totally silent void. Just try to picture that. A state of pure potential, right? An endless dark expanse before anything we recognize, light, sound, even time, exists. This is the canvas, completely blank, just waiting for that first stroke of creation. And this is our starting point. The world might have form, land and water, but darkness still lay upon the deep. You can just feel that something fundamental is missing. There's no rhythm, no measurement. The very idea of time is just this faint suggestion, a whisper in the void, waiting to be given a voice. So this first part of our story is all about setting up this core tension. A universe that's ticking along without a clock. It's just this great silent emptiness. A stage that's waiting for a catalyst to come along and finally get things moving. I mean, just try to wrap your head around that for a second. A cosmos where time, as you and I experience it, just isn't a thing. There are no seconds ticking by, no sunrises or sunsets, no turning of the seasons. There's only this endless, waiting expanse, a truly formless state of being. And right into that silence, that's where the inciting incident happens. This is the moment that changes everything. And it's not some destructive, chaotic explosion. No, the source describes it as a creative force, a kind of resonant vibration that begins to literally shake reality itself. Let there be lights. This is the command that sets it all in motion. And what's so incredible here is how the word itself is the action. It's the very first source of light in our story, a sound that just pierces that endless dark, speaking order into the chaos and starting to give it all a shape. And you bet this command has an immediate and pretty spectacular results. That void, that formless darkness, it starts to yield to order, to brilliance. But here's the thing. It doesn't all happen in a flash. It's a very deliberate, step-by-step process of creation. So, in direct response to that command, a single, powerful point of light just appears, and it grows fast from this tiny spark into a magnificent, blazing sphere. Now, this isn't just any star. This is the first of the light bearers, a powerful, golden, life-giving force. The sun has arrived. And here's the crucial part. This new light, it isn't just there so you can see in the dark. No, it has a specific vital purpose, to create the first great division in the cosmos. Its very existence is what allows for separation, for the idea of day to be pulled apart from night, establishing the fundamental rhythm for everything that's about to come. So now, a new duality defines everything. Day becomes the realm of the sun, a time for powerful, vibrant, life-sustaining action. And night, well, night isn't just what's left over. It's given its own distinct character, its own purpose, as a time for quiet, for rest, and for restoration. Right after the sun, the rest of the darkness also gets its own rulers. The moon appears, bringing with it this gentle, silvery reflected light. And then the void is filled with these countless, distant, mysterious points of light. The Sorceress has this beautiful line, calling them diamond dust scattered on black velvet. Just gorgeous. Okay, so this brings us to what is really the climax of the whole story. See, the sun, the moon, the stars, they weren't just created to be pretty things to look at in the sky. They were about to be assigned a profound, mechanical, and eternal purpose. They were becoming the core components of a truly grand design. And this is where we learn their real job. They have to be more than just lights. They must serve as signs. And that one phrase, it transforms them from simple lamps into the actual gears of a vast cosmic clock. They become the celestial markers that will measure all of existence forever. They're not just lighting the world. They're giving it measure. So each one gets a specific job to do. The sun, well, it becomes the ruler of the day. The moon takes on the rhythm of the months and the pull of the tides. And those constellations of stars, they become our guides for navigation. And they're the ones that announce when the seasons are changing. See? It's not random at all. It's a perfectly integrated, functioning system. So when you boil it all down, this story is really about establishing what you could call cosmic order. It's this incredible narrative that details the shift from a timeless, formless chaos to a magnificent, predictable system where every single thing in the sky has its place and a very clear purpose. And with that one declaration, we get the final resolution. It's like the seal of approval. The system is complete. The great task is finished. The light bearers have all taken their assigned places. The cosmic clock is fully assembled, it's working perfectly, and its hands are now set to measure the countless eons of life that are about to unfold. And that's really the powerful idea at the heart of this whole narrative, isn't it? It's not just a story about how the sun and moon got made. It's a deep reflection on purpose, on rhythm, and on the intricate, beautiful order that governs every single day, month, and year of our lives. It kind of asks us to look up at the sky and see not just a bunch of lights, but the very hands of time.